Hello, food lovers. If your rice always comes out mushy, sticky, or burnt at the bottom, today I'll show you exactly how I cook perfect rice step by step. Let's get going. 3/4 of the cup. So yes, we are going to start off by washing our rice until the water runs clear, like clear. This helps to remove extra starch and helps the rice to cook like fluffy. See, our water is clear, so I did let my rice sit for like 3 minutes and then I rinsed it off, and that was it. For this rice, I'll be using the correct water to rice ratio. Since the rice was 3/4 of the cup, I did use 1 full cup and kinda half of the water. So this is very important if you want soft but separate grains. Then we're going to add in our salt. Make sure the salt is enough just to taste. Then we're going to add in our oil, our cooking oil, that is just enough. And now we are going to cover it and let the water ichemke yani jamani. Yeah. Water is ready. It's time to go in with our rice. so that everything can mix together. But please note that you should not be doing too much of stirring because it will break the grain. So we're going to cover and let the rice cook. Here we're going to let it cook on medium heat. Are going to check the doneness of the rice, so we're going to use a fork because the water is already almost absorbed. We're going to let it rest and then we will do the serving, and you will see. Look at that, it's not sticky down, you can see, and it's well done. The grains are full and it's fluffy. Oh my, look at that. And this is my perfectly cooked plain rice, soft, fluffy and not sticky. If this video helped you, please like, comment and subscribe, and you better not miss the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye food lovers for now.